So to start off this tutorial, I already did it, but I'll show you guys what I used. I sprayed my face with this Mario Badescu skincare stuff, just a little facial spray, and I use it basically as a primer. That's all it is. So for my foundation, I'm just gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me matte foundation. I'm just gonna dab some of this on my hand. And then the color I'm using is gonna be 115 Ivory. So that's what it looks like. Zoom, I hope it focused. And next, I'm just gonna take this little stippling brush. This really isn't an important part. I don't know why I do it. I just kind of saw someone do it one day. I know that's how I apply my foundation.
I also like doing this because I feel like that helps me control how much I'm putting on my face. It helps me control it better anyways. So I'm not just caking it on there. I put some on my jawline, a little bit on my ear, so I'll blend in well, blend it. I'm gonna go up here. And I really try to do the lightest layer possible. Just because after you add the concealer and then the baking powder, and your contour and your bronzer, there's just so much like layers on your face. It's too much for me.
And then for the blending brush, I'm gonna use an e.l.f. brush. Just like a little rounded dome brush. That's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna do this in circle motions all over my face until it's nice and blended out. And blend it. Don't forget to blend it into your hairline. That way whenever you put your hair back, it looks a lot more natural and all that jazz. Blend it over here. Right into my eyebrow. Sorry. But I really felt like a face makeup video was like the perfect video for my first one, you know? It's simple, it's not as much detail, and not everyone wears crazy bold eyeshadow like I do all the time. So I feel like this is something everyone can watch and learn something from. Okay. Now that's all nice and blended in my face, I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal True Match Concealer. Cool, super blendable concealer. And I'm just using the Fair Light one. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to apply this right underneath my eyes. And honestly, I'm really not the biggest fan of this concealer now that I've started baking my face. I used to not really mind it. And then once I started using baking powder over top of it, I realized how dry it actually was. So I really need to go get some more. I need to get a better one. This one just ain't cutting it. And I don't really put concealer on my forehead, just because that's where I crease a lot. So I don't want a lot of product on there. Sorry, I just had to dampen the beauty blender. Just go in and dab, 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 dab. The Fresh Beauty Blender is literally the best thing ever. I'm gonna go into my nose so you guys can see that. Okay. And now for underneath the eyes. Okay, now that that's all nicely blended in on there, I'm going to bake my face. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is what it looks like. Comes in this cute little square container. I love this stuff, and it literally only costs $6. It's a steal for sure. And this is in the shade Fair Light. So I am just going to go back in with my beauty blender and just pat, 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 pat. Make sure I get all right here. Okay, so we're back, and I took all the finishing powder off my face, and my camera stopped recording. Ugh! I don't know why, I don't know how, but it did. But literally all I did was brush it off, and I put some bronzer on. That's all I did. So I just went in with this Lancome, and it's gonna be their Natural Star Matte Bronzer. That's what it looks like. And I just went in right over my cheeks right here, and then I helped build it up onto my temple, and then shaded in here. I went over here, helped shade in up there, and then I went down on my collarbone and on my neck. I'm gonna do that a little more. And then next I'm just gonna go in with this other Eco Tools Controlled Setting Brush. That's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna use another Lancome product. It's gonna be my Lancome blush. It's in the color Sheer Armor Rose. That's what it looks like. It's kind of small, but I love it. Just kind of dab that in there and brush that on my cheeks. And then once that's done, just a little bit, don't want too much. I'll let it sunburn or something. I'm just gonna blend that in with the brush I use to bronze. Sorry, not contour. And next, I'm just gonna go in with this little blush brush. That's what it looks like. It's small and cute. I don't really know where it's from. The brand says Mirra, Murrah, I guess. And then I'm gonna go into contour with my Lorac Pro Contour Palette. That's what it looks like. You open it up, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here, the medium. So I'm just gonna lightly dab that and really carve these cheekbones out. And then next with the remaining product, I'm just gonna lightly contour my nose. Just kind of go like that. And then I'm just gonna go over right here to create this little button nose effect. Okay. Next I'm gonna go in with this Lorac brush that came with my contour palette. And I'm just gonna mix these two highlight colors right here. Sorry, these two. I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna lightly carve out underneath where I did that contour. Nice and crisp. Don't worry, I know I look crazy right now. I'm gonna blend that out. The same thing over here. I'll go back in one more time. That bronzer brush. And really just blend everything in. Okay. And then last, but certainly not least, I'm gonna be doing my highlight. I don't know what highlight I want to use. Or I guess not last, I still have to do my lipstick. I'm gonna use this one. Yeah. So I'm just going to go in with my Aurora Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. That's what it looks like. I think I'm just going to use this color right here. It's called Eclipse. And I'm just going to use this little fan brush from Ulta. That's what it looks like. Yeah, just another Ulta brush. I'm just going to lightly dab that in there. And just highlight. So we can glow. Glow like a little angel. Oh, I love that. I think that's so pretty. Okay, do the same thing on this side. Just going right on top of where I did my contour. Not right on top of, but right above where I did my contour. Just keep doing this to wherever you feel you're glowing enough. I like to be super glowy. And then I'm just gonna do some of my nose right here. A little T motion. And sometimes I'll dab a little on my finger and then dab some on my nose just to give it that extra pop. I don't know why that helps, but it does. Sorry if you keep catching me looking over here in the corner. I have my camera set up to where I can see it in the mirror behind it. That way I know it's not randomly turning off like it did last time. I don't know why I put it away. Next, I'm going to keep going with the highlighter, and I'm going to go right in here underneath my brow bone. Just dab some on there. And then I'm going to go right on top as well. You're going to almost end up creating this little C formation around your eyes. Up here once again. My lips are so dry, it's so sad. On here. And then I'm just going to add a little bit on my Cupid's bow. This really helps make your lips look a little plumper, I guess you could say. Now I'm going with some freaking chapstick. Well, last I'm going to put on this NYX. It's just a little cute soft matte lip cream. I got it in their Vault 2, and this is the color Athens. I'm just going to pop that on. Right on my lips. And then very lastly, I'm just going to go in with my CoverGirl Lip Lock Setting Spray. This is what it looks like. You can buy it from Ulta. I'm sure you can buy it from Walmart. I haven't checked that. I'm just going to... But yeah, that's how you get this flawless matte face makeup look. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any more ideas of what you want for videos, anything like that, just leave it in the comment section and I'll definitely go take a look at those. Add them to my list. But yeah, thank you guys. See you later. Hey guys, it's Ryan. So I hope you guys liked my makeup tutorial. If you're looking for an eyebrow or eyeshadow tutorial, yes, that's the word, just leave a comment below and I'll definitely take a look at it and add it onto my list of things that I'm going to do for these videos. Yeah, this is just the face. I really liked the idea of this one, as I said earlier, and I hope you guys did too. So hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, all right? Thank you.